You all know on this channel, we are all about looking good is not equal to breaking the bank. Ladies, sister, you might own this a swimming suit in your closet already, or you probably will like this one I'm about to present today. This is how to take your swimming suit to another level. Alright ladies, this video was sponsored on Instagram, and some of my ladies here, you don't follow me on Instagram, so I'm always about bringing it to you at the same time, of course, creating content on YouTube. Alright, because that's an opportunity for me to have a content to create. Before I show you the swimming suit and the cover up, ladies, this is just an idea. Some of you might not want to do what I'm about to show you. Alright, some of my ladies might go like they don't want to use their swimming suit to dress up, but why not? If you want to, this is an idea for you because something I feel I can do. That's why I'm going to show you some of the way I've restyled it in this video as well. The company that produced this swimming suit is called Flaxmaker. You can find them on Instagram, and also I'll put the link of this company. I'll put it in the description box. I also have a discount code that you can use to shop, which is going to be on the screen. So here is the swimming suit, the way it is without the cover up. They have this website, they have modern swimming suits, they have cover-ups, they have outfits. And for some of my ladies that are out there that you have a daughter, a girl, you can also shop swimming suits for mommy and daughter, right? Mommy and girl, they have them on their website. They have accessories as well that will go with the theme of whatever you're going for, as in how you want to accessorize your swimming suit. If you like this particular one you want to shop, like I mentioned, the link will be in the description box. Also, I will show you an idea of how you can incorporate your swimming suit into your outfit. This is all about saving you money, saving you time, saving you energy to rush out there all the time to go and get new things just because you're about to go out. This is how it is looking. You can see the pearls right there, and the strap is adjustable. And you can use to adjust it to fit your shoulder length. That is it right there. Of course, we all know it's spandex they use for this so that it can, you know, flatten your tummy as well and give you that female silhouette. And this is how this is looking. I'm wearing size small, and this is the back. All right, here is the cover up. The cover up also have this ruche style going on the side. You all can see that, and it has these pearls, 3 pearls detail at the front as well. It's beautiful. It's really beautiful. So now that you have seen the trying on of the swimming suit and the cover up and the detailings, now we're going to move to the next part of this video, which is how I'm going to restyle the suit. So what I forgot to mention is, ladies, you might not have what I'm using to pair this particular swimsuit, but it's going to give you an idea of what color we actually go with this fuchsia pink that you can use in your closet to restyle it. All right, this is a skirt and it's orange, burnt orange kind of. So orange will actually go with fuchsia pink. All right, look at this, and I'm still wearing the same shoe with this small cute purse, bag purse with this small cute purse that I purchased from H&M like sometimes last year. And this is just giving casual. And this is another way I will style it.
You don't care what you're doing to me. I've been down in the ruins so deep. All the games that you played, all the love you forsaken, you let it slip away. You don't care what you're doing to me. Every setback, every mishap, every time you say you gon' change.
And this is another color that will go with it. Like I said, you might not have the same style, but you might have the color that will match, or you have the same style. This is just an idea. All right, ladies, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I am loving it. To be honest with you, you know it's a swimming suit, so you probably will feel a little bit too hot in it because of the material they used to made it. If you don't mind, you can still wear it this way, but I just want to be honest with you all because I'm feeling the heat kind of here. So I wouldn't recommend blazer on top of this all the way throughout the day, except you live in a place that it's still a little bit chill, like even when it's summer you can still feel cool breeze. If not, this will be too hot for you to handle. in the summer aside from this school. That's just my honest truth, but we are here to restyle it just to give you an idea if you want to do this, okay? And this is another way I will style it with a pants, and it's brown pants. This is another way I will style it.
Every setback, every mishap, every time you say you gon' change.
Now moving on to the skirt, you could use a plain white t-shirt. Yeah, I chose to use this because I actually have color that goes with the skirt. So it's just as simple as that. You want to go black, we go with this fuchsia pink as well. So I don't want to prolong this video. So this is how I will style it with the skirt. I think I'm loving the skirt more. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section.
So you get it, you regret it, I forgive it, but you stay the same. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit.
We have one more way I'm going to style it after this. This is black, which I mentioned before. It's very easy, simple. I paired this top that I have in my closet before, of course, with it, and this is how it's looking. I think I love the styling of the skirt more than the bodysuit itself. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I think the skirt is more practical. That's just my opinion. All this in this video are my opinion, alright? I'm not projecting it on anybody. If you like it, of course, you can just recreate it. It will save you a lot of money because you're using your swimming suit cover to dress up.
The damage you've done, 'cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. Try to fight it, but I'm drowning alone. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa.
Ladies, please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you all so much for watching. I think in my opinion, I prefer the styling of the skirts more than the bodysuits. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and until next time, remain blessed. Bye.